Hello everyone, my name is Victoria Flores, and today I'm going to be talking to you about promoting digital citizenship and a positive online behavior, and more specifically focusing on teaching students about internet safety and privacy. So the ISTE standard under Citizen states that educators inspire students to positively contribute to and responsibly participate in the digital world, as well as educators model and promote management of personal data and digital identity by protecting the student data privacy. So one acronym to always remember is SMART. S being be safe. So keeping your personal information safe and secret, and thinking carefully before you share a photo of yourself or your friends on the internet. And that goes along with always creating your digital footprint as soon as you begin participating on the internet. So M, don't meet up. Never arrange an online meeting friend because it can be dangerous. No matter how well you think you know people, they might be pretending. A, accepting emails can be dangerous. So if you receive junk mail, which is also called spam, or messages that make you feel uncomfortable or unusual, you should tell an adult that you trust and automatically delete it. Do not reply or click on any links that they provide for you. R, reliable. The internet is full of friendly people and amazing information. However, sometimes people might say or write things which are untrue. So you always need to think carefully before trusting what you see or hear on the internet. And T, being to tell someone. Most of the time that you are online, you will have lots of fun. However, if you see anything that makes you feel uncomfortable or worried, make sure that you tell an adult that you trust. So, touching on some other points just to focus in on protecting their identity is one, making sure that you never wire money to someone that you don't know. Most of the time, that's how a lot of scams start. And they were going to ask you to send them money, and the best thing is to just delete it and not reply at all. Second, watching for clickbait ads on mostly any website, or even you could just visit a website and automatically now there's a small virus that can get on your computer and ads will pop up, and they're just looking for you to click on them so that they could just invade your computer even more. Three, making sure that the websites you visit are credible. This goes back to the ads. Most of the time, if the website is not legit, it can infect your computer with something or overall just cause harm and open access to hackers that are looking to get into your computer. For a lot of what this one is really common, it's prize winnings. So um, there's a bunch of ads that are going to be saying you're eligible for this, congratulations, you won this. But most of the time, if you ever like click on it, they require you to pay some to receive a bigger amount, and usually a legit prize will not require you to pay to receive. So that is a scam, and it could be dangerous. Um, and as well as just going back to the emails, making sure that the mailing address that is using sending you that email is different from the name that's on top. As well as most of the time, like I said before, they're asking you to do something and it can make you very uncomfortable or unusual. A big one to watch out for is if the email is unexpected. So that's just one big thing that's important to look out for. And these are some ways that students could just enhance their safety and privacy on their online behavior. Thank you for watching. Bye.